Hey guys, welcome back. Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. I'm Bob, and I took a hiatus for a while, went on a little time off for the holidays. We're back now, 2019. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great time. I did. I had a great time taking some time off. This year we have a lot of projects in the pipeline for you guys. It'd be great if you would tell me what you would like to see from me, and we'll go through that and we'll take a look and see how we can demonstrate some of this stuff for you. So we're giving away a bunch of beanies. We have these neon beanies and we have the black ones. We're gonna give a dozen, 12 of these away. These are really cool. They have LED lights in them. And then you can charge these beanies in your USB. So very cool. We're gonna give a dozen of these away. So what you need to do to get this, you need to subscribe to my channel. Give me a comment as to what you would like to see from us this year. And tell me what color you would like with your beanie. Leave a message or a note at the bottom, and you're subscribed, we will send you a beanie. We will contact you, get your information, and send those out. We're also giving away a bunch of other things. I get a lot of stuff that'll come back in returns that we're going to be giving away. Sometimes they're welding gloves, they use them maybe once, they say they didn't like them, whatever the story may be. We're basically going to give that stuff away. My other option is just to throw it out. I'd rather not throw it out. So we're going to give it away. So you have to watch our videos to be able to submit what we're asking. And we're going to give you free gifts. Thanks for watching.